Hello friends, welcome to Secret of Electronics. In this video we will learn how to make a simple text to Morse code converter using the 8MHz 32HP microcontroller. This circuit is built around the 8MHz 32HP microcontroller and is divided into three sections. The main controller, input and output. In the main controller section, the 8MHz 32HP is powered by a regulated 5V supply with both VCC and ABCC connected to plus 5V and GND to ground. A 16 MHz crystal oscillator with two 220 picofarad capacitors C2, C3 provides the clock source for stable operation, while a 10 kΩ pull-up resistor R1 on the reset pin ensures reliable startup. The input section consists of an HC05 Bluetooth module which enables wireless communication between the microcontroller and a external device such as a smartphone. The module's VCC and GND pins are powered with plus 5V and ground, respectively. The TX pin of the SC05 is directly connected to the 8MHz RX pin D2, while the RX pin of the SC05 is connected to the 8MHz TX pin D3 through a voltage divider R2 and R3 to safely reduce the 5V logic to 3.3V for the module. The enable and state pins are left unused in this design. In the output section, a single LED with a 220 ohm current limiting resistor is connected to one of the microcontroller's GPIO pins. This LED is used to display the Morse code output by blinking according to the encoded signals. Overall, the circuit works by receiving text wirelessly by Bluetooth module, processing it on the 8MHz 32HP, and then converting the text into Morse code, which is indicated visually through the blinking LED. This Arduino code receives a line of text from a SC05 Bluetooth module by software serial on pins D2, D3, converts it to uppercase, looks up each character in a Morse table stored in flash, sends the Morse string back over Bluetooth, and blinks in LED to represent the Morse code. Dot, short blink, dash, long blink. Software serial BT serial 23 creates a software serial port where pin 2 is Arduino RX receives from SC05TX and pin 3 is Arduino TX transmits to SC05RX. This matches the hardware wiring command. LED pin is the GPIO used to blink Morse. You define a struct for table entries and put the whole Morse table into flash memory with program M to save RAM. Each entry stores the letter and a pointer to the string. Table size computes number of entries. Dot is 200 millisecond, dash is 600 millisecond, intra symbol gap equal to 1 unit, between letters equal to 3 units, between bits equal to 7 units. Standard Morse timing sets LED pin as output, starts Bluetooth at 9600 baud rate, typically for SC05 default, and starts the hardware serial for debugging. When data is available on BT serial, reads bytes up to a new line or until timeout buffer full. The buffer is then null terminated so it can be treated as a C string. Read bytes until function can block until new line or the stream timeout. Default 1000 millisecond so it is not fully non-blocking. Simple ASCII conversion. Subtract 32 to convert small a to z to capital A to Z. Works for basic Latin letters only. Prints the received text to the serial monitor and starts a Morse line back to the Bluetooth client. If the character is a space, the code prints slash over Bluetooth and delays bud underscore space 7 units. Otherwise, it looks up the Morse code by get Morse. If found, it prints the dot or dash string to Bluetooth, blinks the LED using blink Morse, and then delays letter underscore space before the next letter. Because Morse table is in Flash, the code uses pgm underscore read underscore byte to read the letter, pgm underscore read underscore bud, and Morse table I dot code reads the stored pointer address of the string from flash and returns it as a const character, iterates over the characters of the Morse string. .led high 4 dot dash led high 4 dash. After every symbol it turns led low and delays symbol underscore space 1 unit. After finishing a letter, the main loop delays letter underscore space. Now we will use a Arduino board as a ISP programmer to upload the code to the 8MB32HP microcontroller. Connect all the components together according to the programming circuit shown on the display, and do not forget to upload the Arduino ISP code to the Arduino Nano board. If you want a complete tutorial on how to program the 8MB32HP microcontroller using the Arduino Nano as an ISP programmer, you can watch our full tutorial by clicking the I button. After making the connections, connect the Arduino Nano board to your PC or laptop using a USB cable. Once connected, open the Arduino IDE. After opening the IDE, open the code file, which you can download from the link provided in the description. Next, select the correct port and microcontroller. Enter the Tools menu. After selecting both, click the Upload button in the Arduino IDE to upload the code to the 8MB32HP microcontroller. The code is now successfully uploaded to the 8MB32HP microcontroller. Now disconnect the Arduino Nano board from your PC or laptop and connect all the components according to the main circuit diagram we discussed at the beginning of this tutorial. Now connect the circuit to a 5V DC power source. After connecting the power, open the Bluetooth settings on your smartphone and turn on Bluetooth. After a few moments, you will see the SC05 module. Click on it and enter the pin, which is usually 1234 or 0000. Then click OK. Next, open a serial Bluetooth terminal app, which you can download from the Play Store. After opening the app, go to Devices and select the SC05 Bluetooth module. After a few moments, it will show connected. Now send any text through the app. You will see the text converted into Morse code and the LED will blink according to the Morse code. If you liked this video, then do not forget to subscribe to our YouTube channel to watch more of our upcoming interesting tutorials.